What's going on, family? Here I am in Belmont, North Carolina, and I'm in this TriPointe community called Seven Oaks. We're gonna go tour this floor plan right now, the Stowe floor plan with the primary on the first floor. Those of you who are looking for townhouse living but want the primary on the first floor, this is the floor plan for you. Let's jump into it and see what Belmont, North Carolina has to offer just for you. Now, when you come inside the Stowe floor plan, you will recognize that it has 9-foot ceilings, not just on the first level, but also on the second level. Now, this floor plan runs anywhere from 2,100 square feet to 2,300 square feet. And as I said, it has the primary downstairs. So this living area may seem a little compact because the primary area is so large. But once you go upstairs, you'll be amazed at just how expansive the upstairs is and how much room you actually have, because again, the primary is downstairs, so you have more room to play with upstairs. Let's take a look. Now, one thing that's very clear when you come in this home is how much natural light it brings in. Now, this floor plan has the indoor-outdoor feel. Right here in the front door, you just slide this open and you have a porch. Every floor plan in this community, Seven Oaks community by TriPointe Homes, does have a porch, which is rare for townhomes. Also, another thing to point out is just how wide each home is. You have a width of about 28 feet per townhome. Now, that is significantly different than the 20 feet you typically get in most townhomes. So while it's a townhome, you have the normal width, or it feels more like a normal single family home based on the width. Now let's head upstairs. Now, I did tell you when you come upstairs, it is quite expansive. You have this huge loft area and you have this bonus area that I didn't mention to you. Actually, 2 bonus areas. Come with me and let's take a look at these 2 bonus areas as well as the secondary bedrooms. So let me know your thoughts regarding this Stowe floor plan. Do you enjoy this expansive upstairs loft area, as well as the outdoor deck and the primary suite downstairs? Now leave your questions in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback and also be able to address any questions you may have. This floor plan, again, people that are looking to downsize but want their primary bedroom downstairs, I believe this checks off a lot of boxes because you have the primary downstairs, you have tons of storage up here to where, let's be honest, I've had clients come to the area wanting to downsize and they did not account for how much stuff they originally had and they just need more storage. This has ample storage as well as entertainment options right here in this floor plan. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor right here in the Carolinas. Talk soon.